Welcome to today's tutorial on creating AI images. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of generating images using artificial intelligence. Let's get started. Step 1. Setting up the environment. Before we begin, let's make sure you have the necessary tools and environment set up. Ensure you have the following. 1. A computer with a modern web browser. 2. An internet connection. 3. Access to an AI-powered image generation platform like OpenAI's DALL-E or DeepArt.io. Step 2. Understanding the image generation process. AI-powered image generation uses deep learning algorithms to create images based on patterns and examples it has learned. It's a fascinating technology that can produce unique and creative visuals. Here's a step-by-step process for creating AI images. 1. Choose an AI-powered image generation platform that suits your needs. 2. Prepare a dataset or concept for the image you want to generate. It can be a combination of images, a description, or even a rough sketch. 3. Feed the input data to the AI model, allowing it to analyze and learn from the provided information. 4. The AI model will generate multiple variations of the input, using its learned patterns and creativity. 5. Select the generated image that you like the most or find most suitable for your purpose. Step 3. Accessing an AI-powered image generation platform. Let's explore how to access an AI-powered image generation platform. Open your web browser and navigate to the platform of your choice, such as OpenAI's DALL-E or DeepArt.io. Screen capture, browsing to an AI-powered image generation platform. Show the process of opening a web browser. Type in the URL of the selected AI-powered image generation platform. Demonstrate navigating to the platform's homepage. Step or uploading input data. Now that we're on the image generation platform's website, let's upload our input data. This could be an image, a description, or even a combination of both. Uploading input data. Show the process of uploading an image or describing it using text. Explain the importance of providing clear and concise information for better results. Step 5. Generating AI images. With the input data uploaded, it's time to generate the AI images. This step might take some time, depending on the complexity of the input and the capabilities of the AI model. Generating AI images. Display the progress of the image generation process. Discuss any options or settings available on the platform for refining the output. Step 6. Selecting the desired AI image. Once the image generation process is complete, you'll be presented with several AI-generated images. Browse through the options and select the one that best fits your requirements. Demonstrate scrolling through the generated images. Highlight the importance of subjective selection based on personal preference and purpose. Step 7. Saving and utilizing the AI image. Congratulations! You have successfully created an AI image. Now, let's save and utilize it. Show the process of saving the selected AI image to the local device. Discuss potential applications for the generated image, such as using it in creative projects, marketing materials, or social media. That concludes our tutorial on creating AI images. Remember, AI-powered image generation is an exciting field that continues to evolve. Experiment, explore. Thanks for watching this video.